I have no problem. Actually, you had called me when I was organizing a certain post, trying to communicate with the public. Yeah? For that screenshot, which is really making, like, it's making news. That's what I can say. But in details, as in, like, it was 6th of May. Immediately after the shooting of the late Yejeyo, I went into the comment section of the certain video where, like, I was talking about this Madbala. I don't know whether you know him.
Bwechibanga kyekituufu Kawedemu. Phone call yo gyentandise nayo oba akatambi k'amaloboozi ke ntandise nako kigambibwa mbu omu ku bantu abawandiika komenti ebadde etambula ku mutimbagano eraga oba eyalagula nti Isma All Access omugenzi kati Yejeyo nti agenda kufanga ennaku z'omwezi 6 babadde bamukubidde era nga yennyonnyolako ku butya komenti eyo bwe yajja okusaasaana oba butya bwe yagenda viral. Ekisookera ddala siri 100 ku 100 ku katambi kano kengendo okuteerako, wabula njagala nawe kennyini ompe submission yo mu comment section. Awo wennyini njagala tuwulirize ani yamukubidde essimu. Eyamukubidde essimu yeeyisaani, ono yennyonnyoddeko atya, intelligence kano ebeekatwala etya akatambi k'amaloboozi. Onaagamba nti yakikola kufuna fame agifunye oba nedda. Tubeere beegendereza ku internet bwe kibanga kyekituufu. Kyakubiri agamba yakikola omugenzi amaze kufa, naye abaffe bwe beetegereza dates comment eno kwe yafulumira ziraga ki nti comment ya publishingibwa Isma All Access amaze okuttibwa oba comment yali already republished before omugenzi nga tannaba kuttibwa wali eri ekyanja okumpi ne gate eyali emutuusa ku apartment kwasula. Subscribinga, likinga, commentinga. Bampita Viki tusinzidde ku Viki exclusive. Siri 100 ku kinnaakyo naye mbu.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Yeah, am I talking to Yolanda Denny Rehan?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so now you are talking to Agri. And I work with the publication called the Black Examiner. There is a screenshot that has been circulating on social media.
Yes.
Containing your name on a post that people think
Yes, I'm getting you.
That people think may be contributed towards the death of the late Ichuli, also known as Yejeyo, Isma All Access.
Yes.
Now, what we would like to know, are you ready? Are you ready to tell? Are you ready going to tell the public the real truth about it?
I have no problem. Actually, you had called me when I was organizing a certain post, trying to communicate with the public. Yeah? For that screenshot, which is really making, like, it's making news. That's what I can say. But in details, as in, like, it was 6th of May. Immediately after the shooting of the late Yejeyo, I went into the comment section of the certain video where, like, I was talking about this Madbala. I don't know whether you know him. So he was commenting about Madubara, and then that very day after his shooting, I had to comment that maybe I was like, Yejeyo will die on the 6th of May. But I made that comment immediately after the shooting. Yeah? Actually, it was like 1 hour back. after the shooting. You understand? So it is me again who took the screenshot of that comment in the comment section, and I made it to go viral such that actually my main intention was just to get followers and likes, as you know, things of social media. So what I did, I had to take a screenshot of the comment. I did indicate that the exact date when that comment was really commented. You understand? So I was talking to someone was like, you know what, Yolanda, you can delete the other comment which you posted a few minutes ago. But before deleting it, I had to make a screenshot again for how long it had already taken on that post. Are you getting me, Mr. Agre?
Yes.
So after deleting it, when I had it the screenshot, people started approaching me. They were like, I know about the date of Yejeyo, what he kills the man, you are the person in government, what you're using guns to shoot people. I said, many of them were trying to approach me through my inbox. Are you getting it?
Yes.
So what I did, I just kept quiet, and all I can say, each and every second, people are following me. But all I can tell the public is that information was fake. In case maybe if there is any person who can bring in the exact date, maybe when that comment was posted, then I will surrender. But I'm telling you the truth. I made the comment, and then after commenting, I had to delete it after 35 minutes after commenting it. So actually, my aim was just getting likes, getting followers, and of which is already happening. But all I can inform the public that information which is going viral is fake. I did not predict. I made the comment immediately after the shooting.
Now,
yes, please.
Where did you get the courage of commenting and sharing this, of commenting on the post and sharing the screenshot, the fake screenshot? Where did you get that courage?
Oh, brother, like commenting, actually making a comment, it is something very cheap, because as you have been seeing people commenting, like they have been trying to be vulgar on certain issues and what. So for me, it was something very simple for me just to comment like that.
Now,
yes.
Now, why did you do that? Because you see, when that information is very sensitive, why did you have to do that? Are you paid? Were you paid, or you are just for life? Being paid
just because of posting such a comment? Please, I've told you in my past statements, I've told you that I was trying to get followers and likes. That is all. Actually, all I can say, maybe it was just for fun, but I didn't comment that thing a long time ago. It was posted on 6th of May. Actually, it was around 9:40, of which that guy was shot at around 9:25.
You posted one? At what time? Like at what time?
I made the comment immediately after the shooting. You understand? So when I was going to delete that thing, I deleted it when it had stayed there for only 35 minutes. Yes, it means I posted that thing actually like an hour back, because I was on Facebook when I saw information circulating that data issue has been shot dead. I just decided to comment like that and take a screenshot myself and share it to other groups.
Okay, now
yeah.
Do you have the proof? Do you have the proof that you posted your comment after the death, after the shooting?
Yes, I have the proof, because when I was going to delete that comment, I first took the screenshot just to show the public that it was commented that very day.
Sure.
Yes, I have the screenshot. Actually, I deleted it.
Can you share the screenshot with us?
Okay, you've told me like your website. I'm going to approach it and send it through the inquiry. I will send it direct through the website. Can you please read me your website?
Yes, I will share.
Okay,
now,
please.
Do you have any other information you would like to tell the public about the circulating information?
Please, all I can urge the public, the information that is circulating on media, that I could be knowing about the date, that information is fake. Only the comment which is going viral, that comment is fake. It was commented immediately after the shooting. So for me, I don't know anything regarding, is it that issue is there? I don't know anything.
Now, what? Now, hello.
Yes, please, I can hear you.
What if they present you to the authorities, like to the people concerned? Will you be able to speak the same thing? Will you be able to come out and tell us to tell the public physically on video?
Why not?
Physically.
Even if you call me in the next 5 minutes and you are like, Yolanda, they are coming to pick you, the police is coming to make an arrest, I'll be available. I won't run away because I have no case to answer. I'm innocent about that case because I've told you I made the comment immediately after the shooting. And what other stupid people know, or I'm sorry to use such kind of a vulgar word, anyway, other people know that I made the comment a few months ago, which is not right. I made the comment immediately after the shooting.
On which post? On which post? On the latest post or on
that very post which they are showing.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, will you be able? Which means if the police comes, you will be able to tell the truth. You are not going to hide. You will be able to tell the truth to the public.
I've told you actually since morning, since that day, that very day, actually like 2 hours after the commenting, people approached me and started telling me that you caused me the death, what, we are going to look for you, but I'm here standing strong because I didn't do anything.
Okay.
So even if police comes, I will not run away because I know nothing about Tuesday. I've told you I have the proofs which show that I made the comment that very day. Actually, I'm going to share you the screenshot when it was taken and when that comment was taken.
Okay.
Yes, I'm very sure those people who are making it go viral rounds and rounds, they don't know when that comment was posted.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Okay, we shall get back to you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Azuse, for your time.
Yeah.
Okay, please.
In case we need more information, we shall have to get in touch with you. We shall call you.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, you have a great day.